Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another SNJ video. Today we are going to make a cheap pizza, homemade style, because I have been wanting to do this video for a very long time. I also want to make videos for you guys on what we cook at home, so I think it should be amazing. If you want to do this, I will tell you step by step on what to do. Alrighty, so stay tuned. So my plan was to get a biscuit pizza. I saw it from a famous YouTuber way back then when I was a kid. He got cinnamon rolls, and they come already cut, and you just put them onto the tray and make a pizza, square pizza like that. But today I went with the pizza crust by Kroger. So let's see how it tastes. It's my first time doing it. So I'm interested and curious to see how the outcome becomes a great pizza. So let's see. So what you do is you peel this off right here. Once you peel it off, you go like this, and it should pop right open. Woo! Woo! And you go like that. Comes already stretched out for you. Obviously it's in the tube, and you just want to get it out slowly but surely. You're going to want it to cut, trying to get every little piece there, and voila, you have it right here. So, pardon my hair, I didn't want to do it, but you grab it, you go like this. I worked at a pizza place for 3 years, and I want to use my techniques if I still remember. That was like 8 years ago. So, you want to go like that, make it into a ball. You want to play with it, have fun with it, you know. Smack it if you want. Smack in the other side. You know, you gotta get both sides. And you just want to play with it, make it a circle, and then just stretch it out and have fun with it. You know, the dough is what counts, what makes a pizza great. So that's the first step you want to do. And then, you know, you want to get it like that, and then like that with your hands. Be patient with it until you get a perfect, nice little hat. Alrighty, so you want to get a tray like that, one of these wood panels or whatever is useful for you. You want to stretch it out with your hands at first, and then you're going to want to roll it. Well, you're going to want to roll it. Obviously, pizza places have the machine. We're homemade style, so you got to be patient, take some time with this, you know. Stretch it out, even it out. I don't have the circle trays, the pizza trays, so I'm gonna make this into like a flatbread rectangle style. So it's however you want it, however you feel like you want it. You want it a flatbread, you want it a circle, it's all up to you, whatever you have. Obviously sometimes the dough opens up like that, and you just gotta pinch it in, and go like that, flip it around, you know, make it an even style, and then just have fun with it, stretch it out with your palm. Again, have fun, this is a process. So we didn't have a roller, so we're using a metal bottle, and we're just gonna go like that. It is gonna be a rectangle pizza, so you're just gonna want to stretch it all the way, and so you get a nice style pizza. You know, it works perfectly. Look at that, it doesn't even stick or anything. This is what you want. Again, this is a cheap pizza, homemade style. This is under $12. You go to your grocery store, you buy your dough already made, and you buy the ingredients separately. This was under $12. I mean, you can't go bad with that. I mean, this is just a simple pizza. If you're bored at home and you're trying to have fun cooking, this is great for the kids. It's great for your loved one, just to have fun and entertain yourself on a day like a Sunday today. You're bored and you just want to do something. This is what you do. You want to get some olive oil and rub it against all the pan, so the dough won't stick when it comes out, when it's ready, or else it will stick to the pan if you don't put a little bit of oil. Once you're done, you go like that, you put it in, and then you keep stretching it however you want it. Then you grab a fork and you just want to make circles around the crust. I mean pointies, you know, just stab it on the crust. And the reason why you do that is because you don't want no bubbles in the crust when it starts cooking. So this is a good method for the crust so it won't get bubbly. So now you grab your pizza sauce and your Italiano and you want to go like that. And you just want to spread it around, you know, grab all that nice little sauce all up against the crust. Again, I am not a professional at making pizzas, so don't judge me, but this is something cheap, something easy. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. That should be enough right there, ladies and gentlemen. Get the borders, you don't want that much crust. You just go like that. Now you want to get some of this old mozzarella cheese, and you just want to cover the sauce. Just cover it, grab more, it's however you want it. I like a lot of cheese in my pizza, so I'm gonna put a lot of cheese. Just gonna put some provolone cheese on her side. Try some things out. That's, I don't know what type of cheese that is. Swiss cheese?
No.
And now we're gonna put some of this pepperoni. Some of the old pepperoni. And just go all around it. However you like. And that's how our pizza looks, and it's ready to go in the oven. So we do have a pizza inside the oven already. It is the circle one, so that looks really delicious. It's already looking good. The oven is preheated to 425, and you just, obviously when it's done preheating, now you want to put this in here, and another 15 minutes. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is officially ready. It took about 12 minutes for it to fully cook. Voila. Woo, look at all that grease. So this is the pizza, nice brown in the back. And mmm.